I keep seeing this everywhere. Apple cider vinegar. Your aunt shares a post about it. Your fitness buddy swears by it. It's like the superstar of your pantry right now. But hold on a second. Is all that hype really true? Is this stuff actually a magic potion? And more importantly, is it safe for everyone to just start drinking? That's what we're going to unpack today. What does the science actually say? Is this just another internet trend? Or is there real proof? What's the right dose? And let me tell you, there's a popular time of day to take it that might actually be pretty risky. Do you take it straight? Do you mix it? And does any bottle of apple cider vinegar from the store work? Or do you need a specific kind? The truth is, there are some secrets about apple cider vinegar that are going to surprise a lot of people, and I'm pretty sure it's going to impact your life. Stick with me till the end because I'm bringing you some seriously relevant info. All right, let's get down to business. First things first, is apple cider vinegar a miracle? Nah, nothing in medicine is a true miracle. I've seen people online say it's good for everything, even a sore elbow. Just kidding. But I will talk about what the studies actually prove and what they don't. You'll be surprised. So, what are the real science-backed benefits? There are three big ones, but only if you use the right kind and the correct dose. Get the dose wrong, and it's like medicine. Too little does nothing, too much can be harmful. It's that simple. Benefit number one, blood pressure. A huge chunk of the world's population over 50 has high blood pressure. Maybe you or someone you know has it. Here's a fascinating fact. Our ancestors, before all the processed foods, had a diet with a balanced ratio of sodium, that's salt, to potassium. It was about 1 to 1. These days, with all the fast food and packaged stuff, that ratio is more like 5 parts sodium to just 1 part potassium. And all that extra salt makes you hold on to water, puffs you up, and puts a strain on your heart, raising your blood pressure. So where does apple cider vinegar come in? Well, it's loaded with potassium. Using the right kind, in the ideal dose, which I'll give you in a minute, can help rebalance that ratio. If you combine it with good hydration and some exercise, you can really help manage those blood pressure numbers. Now, if you're on medication, don't you dare stop it. Always talk to your doctor first. But if you're looking for a natural way to support your heart health, this is a solid option. Benefit number two, weight management. Apple cider vinegar seems to help with a hormone called leptin. That's your I'm full hormone. Sometimes, after years of eating too many calories, people become resistant to leptin. Their brain doesn't get the stop eating signal quickly enough. Check this out, some North American studies, and I always dig into the sources. You can't believe everything you hear. Had people take apple cider vinegar just once a day for 45 days. The group that didn't change their habits still lost around 2 to 3 kilos. The group that also exercised lost between 6 and 8 kilos. Now, I'm not telling you to just drink this and forget about eating right and moving your body. No way. But it can be a powerful helper in your weight management journey, whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or just maintain a healthy weight. Hey folks, quick break. If you're getting value from this, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button right now. Let's see how many likes we can get. This helps the channel so much, and if you can, share this with your friends and family on WhatsApp. Let's spread this science-backed info. Okay, back to it. Benefit number three, blood sugar and diabetes prevention. This is a big one for folks who are pre-diabetic or even for those with type 2 diabetes looking to better control their blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar can be a game changer. Again, talk to your doctor before making any changes to your meds. Here's how it works in simple terms. When you eat carbs like bread, pasta, rice, your body turns a lot of it into sugar, glucose in your blood. Your pancreas then releases insulin, a hormone that acts like a key to let that sugar into your cells for energy. But if you eat too many carbs for too long, your cells can stop responding to the insulin. They change the locks. This is called insulin resistance. The sugar piles up in your blood, leading to prediabetes and diabetes. Apple cider vinegar helps make your cells more sensitive to insulin again. It helps unlock the door. Studies suggest that using apple cider vinegar correctly can lower your blood sugar spike after a meal by up to 4. That's impressive. Plus, those constant sugar spikes cause something called glycation, which damages your collagen, leading to wrinkles and joint pain, and contributes to clogged arteries. So this is about way more than just sugar levels. Now, who should not take this? This is crucial. People with kidney problems. If your kidneys aren't working well, they can't remove potassium properly. Since apple cider vinegar is high in potassium, it could build up to dangerous levels in your blood. People with serious reflux, gastritis, or ulcers. This is an acid. If your stomach or esophagus is already inflamed, this will make it worse. People on certain medications, especially some drugs for seizures or neurological conditions, because it can interfere with how they work. Finally, the million-dollar question, what's the right way to take it? The dose, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in about 150 milliliters of water, or 2 tablespoons in 200 milliliters of water. Start with once a day, maybe an hour before lunch or dinner. If you need more support, you can do it twice a day, but never ever drink it straight. And about that trendy morning on an empty stomach thing, I wouldn't. Your stomach is empty and sensitive first thing in the morning. Adding acid right away isn't a great idea for most people. What kind to buy? Don't just grab the clear filtered kind from the regular aisle. You want the good stuff, organic, unfiltered, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. It should look a little cloudy, and you might even see a weird blob at the bottom called the mother. That's where all the good probiotics and enzymes are. The acidity should be between 4 and 6. And one last myth to bust. I see people saying it's good for killing parasites or worms. The science isn't really there for that. If you're worried about that, you need to talk to a doctor and get proper medication. I hope this cleared things up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.